Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something truly special for adventurers, explorers, and anyone who dreams of living life on their own terms. Imagine hitting the open road with the freedom to go anywhere, no need to plug in, and all the comforts of a luxury home right at your fingertips. That's exactly what we're talking about today. The ultimate off-grid luxury motorhome built for adventure without compromise. When people think of off-grid living, they often picture something rugged, minimalist, and maybe even a little uncomfortable. But this motorhome redefines that idea completely. It's designed not just for survival, but for indulgence, comfort, and long-term travel anywhere you want to take it. With cutting-edge technology, sustainable energy systems, and a luxury interior, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling 5-star suite designed for the wild. Let's start with what makes it truly off-grid capable. The motorhome comes equipped with a massive solar array on the roof, providing enough power to run appliances, climate control, and entertainment systems without ever needing to plug into a campsite. Paired with a high-capacity lithium battery system, you can stay off the beaten path for weeks at a time. Add in a powerful water filtration system that can purify water from rivers or lakes, and suddenly you have total independence from traditional campgrounds. Whether you're parked on a beach, deep in the mountains, or in the middle of the desert, this motorhome ensures you're never without essential resources. But off-grid capability doesn't mean sacrificing luxury. Step inside and you're greeted with a modern interior that feels more like a designer apartment than a motorhome. Think polished wood finishes, soft-touch leather seating, underfloor heating, and panoramic windows that bring the outside world right into your living space. The living area offers a full entertainment system with a smart TV and surround sound, perfect for winding down after a long day of exploring. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a dishwasher. Yes, a dishwasher in a motorhome. There's plenty of counter space, sleek cabinetry, and smart storage solutions so you can cook everything from a quick breakfast to a gourmet dinner, no matter where you're parked. The bathroom is another highlight, designed more like a spa retreat than a typical RV washroom. Expect a rainfall shower with endless hot water thanks to an on-demand system, a modern vanity with LED lighting, and a composting or vacuum toilet that reduces water waste. It's not just functional, it's genuinely relaxing, offering you the comfort of home while staying far from civilization. Now let's talk about what makes it an adventure motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle for paved highways. It's built on a rugged chassis with all-terrain tires, high ground clearance, and advanced suspension. That means you can take it into remote wilderness areas that most RVs would never dream of reaching. Four-wheel drive capabilities make it possible to cross rough terrain, mud, or snow, opening up entire landscapes for exploration. This is truly a go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle. What really sets it apart is how seamlessly it blends independence, comfort, and sustainability. You're not only traveling in luxury, but you're doing it responsibly with renewable power and reduced environmental impact. For many people, that balance is the ultimate dream, living in comfort while embracing the freedom of the wild. Of course, all this doesn't come cheap. Depending on the model and customization, you could be looking at a price tag well into the 6 figures, sometimes pushing into the 7-figure range for the most exclusive designs. But for those who can afford it, the payoff is unmatched freedom, the ability to travel the world without limits, without giving up the luxuries of home. So, who is this motorhome really for? It's for the adventurer who wants to explore the far corners of the map without worrying about where the nearest hookup station is. It's for the traveler who wants the peace of mind that comes with self-sufficiency. and it's for anyone who believes that comfort and adventure should go hand in hand. At the end of the day, this off-grid luxury motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement. It says you value freedom, independence, and exploration, but you also appreciate the finer things in life. It gives you the ability to wake up with a mountain view one morning, a desert sunrise the next, and a seaside sunset the day after, all while sipping your favorite drink in total comfort. And that's why we call it the ultimate adventure motorhome. It takes the best of both worlds, rugged off-grid capability and refined luxury, and puts them together in one extraordinary package. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or a full-time nomadic lifestyle, this machine makes it possible in ways most people only dream of. Thanks for joining us today as we explored this incredible off-grid luxury motorhome. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more deep dives into the world of motorhomes, RVs, and luxury travel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, keep chasing freedom, keep chasing comfort, and most importantly, keep chasing the road ahead.